Hi friends, very good morning all of you. Welcome back to CAP classes. So I have been getting so many requests from so many students and they have apprehensions and doubts about using our CAP classes app. So I told you there are free MCQ tests daily we are uploading 3 MCQ tests, one in taxation, one in law and one in audit and assurance, and also simultaneously EIS is also going on. That means 3 to 4 daily MCQ tests you can write free of cost, and then study plans, and then test series. All these are free of cost, and there is also one paid test series per subject. If you are writing mock test, you'll pay only 99 rupees. If you are writing all the chapter wise tests, that means 8 exams plus one mock exam, you'll be paying 299 rupees, which includes evaluation, counseling and presentation tips. So that is altogether a different story. I am not speaking about it. I am speaking about only through our CAP classes Android and iOS app. So this CAP classes Android and iOS app, all these are free resources. Okay, so many students are saying, Pawan sir, I have downloaded the app but I am unable to see this. I went to study materials, there is only one file. My dear friends, listen to me carefully. There are two things on the screen. One is store, another one is batch. Okay, this store, study materials, all these things, there is one study materials, okay, on the screen, and you will see diploma in IFRS, you will see advanced accounting. All these are, my dear friend, paid courses. So you should not go to these options. You should not go to store, you should not go to this study materials option. Okay, now what are you supposed to do? In batch, there are so many batches. If you are a paid student for FM, there will be one FM batch, there will be one advanced accounting batch, there will be one auditing batch, there will be one strategic management batch, there will be accounting standards batch. So old syllabus batches are separate, new syllabus batches are separate. Now you don't need to go to any of this batch. Those students who are looking for free test series, free resources, free schedules, MCQ tests, you need to go to CAP test series batch. There is a batch called CAP test series. Batch code is CAPTS. Batch code is CAPTS. When you download iOS version, it will ask you what is the organization code. HKOHI. Organization code is, this is our organization code. This is our batch code. You understand? So on the screen when you download, there will be an option, join to the batch. So you click that, then you give CAPTS, then it will say waiting for admin's approval. In the back end, admin will approve it within no time. Maybe it will take 2 minutes of time, it will take 3 minutes of time, or maybe sometimes it could be 1 hour of time. Finally, your request will be approved. Once your request is approved, then on the home screen, when you open your app, on the home screen, above, horizontal, like this, there will be one menu. Like this, horizontally, there will be one menu. In that menu, videos will be there. If you click that, strategic management, auditing, financial management, accounting standards, some free videos you'll be able to see. For example, accounting standard 29, accounting standard 12, strategy group mapping, Michael Porter strategies, this kind of so many videos you can see here. Also, so many examination tips, motivation videos you can see in video section. Inside CAP test series, there will be another section called study materials. So many students are getting confused between this study materials and inside batch study materials. When you open the app, on the home screen, some study material section will be there. Do not click that. Do not click that. That will be paid. So if you open it, nothing will be shown for you. When you go inside CAP test series, which is a free, resources batch, there are 1200 plus students enrolled in this. When you go inside, then you will see videos, free videos, study materials, and then the next one is, in this study material, you will get the study plans. For CA IPCC, separate study plans are there. For CA intermediate, separate study plans are there. Individual group study plans are different. Both the groups study plans are different. And also the beauty is, you will have a section called tests, wherein every day you can write MCQ tests. Why I am making this video now is because genuinely understand how much of the efforts we are putting, how much we are thinking about the students and the welfare of the students, how much we are actually trying to help the students. But some students who do not use the app properly, who do not know how to use the app properly, they are going to the paid courses wherein even their 1,000 study materials will be there, 1,000 videos will be there. In your app it will be zero. Nothing will be shown because you have not paid fee for the paid courses. So some students are going there, and one student in Google, he has written a review saying that I have downloaded the app but nothing is there in the app. My dear friends, please try to understand, thousands of people are using this app. Daily MCQ contests, daily examinations, test series, study plan, everything is available free of cost. If you cannot operate the app properly, which is actually very user friendly app, so please do not criticize us. Okay, it gives a very wrong impression about the organization. There is lot of effort behind this project CAP classes. Many people, technical side, content development side, academic side, and faculty like me, we are working really very hard. So please try to understand how to use the app. I hope this video will be very useful for you to understand how you can do this free MCQ tests and all these study plans and all, how you can access all the free resources, and also it will help us to protect from our reputation. So those who are writing this kind of comments, please try to understand everything is available in the app. If you still have any doubts, if you ask Google, Sundar Pichai will not answer you. Please ask us 98467 91598. So I'm not criticizing the person who wrote the negative comment in the Google, but don't you think it is stupidity? You ask us, I will tell you how to operate this app. If you write to Google, what Sundar Pichai will tell you. So my dear friends, I hope this video is extremely useful for you. I wish you very good luck. Many tests and many, this test series, MCQ test, MCQ banks, 1,000 plus bit bank is uploaded free of cost. So more free resources will be uploaded to CAP test series. Please keep watching, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you.